Now we will be pausing so you can take some photos. I'm going to ask everyone once again to please remain in your seats. The most frequently asked question about this particular set is that an actual 747? And the answer is yes. It is a decommissioned 747 that was acquired out of the airplane graveyard in the Mojave Desert for the bargain price of $60,000, which is pretty darn good. However, the shipping and handling was $200,000, and they had to bring it here in 4 separate pieces. Here's production designer Rick Carter, director Steven Spielberg.
The airplane press site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
And for them to sit down to talk about the world, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep noticing me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed? Robbie, get in. Get in.
It took the crew 3 months to build this set. It took them 3 days to film the scene for it to spend an entire 3 minutes in the movie. However, it was so believable and realistic that during actual production, there was an actual aircraft flying overhead into Bob Hope Burbank Airport just a few miles from here. The pilot saw it from the air on his descent.